Previously on NCIS Pueblo. No sound that whole time, didn't matter. It was all about the looks. All about the looks. We're gonna run through its motion and see how far it reaches. Still a little sickly, and I've got a bad leak at the quick connect. Not at the connect, but at the threaded end. I gotta fix that because it's dripping about once a second, so that's pretty bad. But it works. It digs. I probably shouldn't have dug it that hard because I don't have any grease or anything in it yet, but I had to test it just to see. There's a serious problem with the first set of controls. Apparently it loses a lot of power when it goes through the power beyond, because the first set is real jumpy and then the second set slow. So it's probably something in the pressure adjustment that will allow me to push some of that extra power onto the next set. If not, I'm gonna have to figure something out. I'll have to throttle it up and learn how to really feather that first control. But it works. It's been a week, solid 6 days, 5 days. Today's Sunday, and this thing was ready to go Monday night. I've screwed around with the tractor every night this week. My blood pressure is 15 points higher than it was a week ago. I ran out of hydraulic fluid. I ran out of gas twice. I took all the spark plugs out. I took the carburetor off. It had a hole in the float before after I bought it, so maybe it developed another hole. It's been running for 45 minutes now and it's been running pretty good. I put it under pressure, it's still running. So maybe I got it figured out. It also fired up first thing this morning, which has been taking an hour, about a half hour to an hour to get it started every morning. So that's a good sign. There, culmination of, well, a year's worth of work, but about a month and then 10-month break and then a hard 2 months at it. And of course it's not done. I still have to paint it. I have to take it all apart again, clean the oil off. I got to weld a brace on over here. I got to weld an eye for the thumb because I'm going to put a thumb on it later. I also have the hydraulics backwards for the stabilizers. When you push down, they come up. But little things, those are easy to fix. Do is get all these hoses organized, but I just threw it together. Thumbs up. See, this is a mess too. I ran out of fittings, so I had to improvise. That's what I ended up with. It'll lift pretty high. Okay, I'm gonna set it down now. This is awesome. I don't even know what to say. Somebody call 811 because we're gonna be digging soon. Vine's getting fat. As big as my finger. Got one of those little grabby dills. That's a technical term if you were wondering. Here's the little guy. He's definitely doing better. Oh yeah, I also have some good unexpected news. My hail net came in. They said it was 4 weeks out. I ordered it a week and a half ago. There it is. I haven't started Mater since New Year's Day when I yanked that stump out. Went up, just cranked it up, first try. Not even a hesitated start, just like your car. You turn it one time, newer car, fired right up. I wish that both my tractors were like that. This makes it so much easier. But Mater doesn't have a 3-point hitch, so he's useless for the backhoe. Oh, hey! Hold on. Wasps. We got wasp nests in here. It's been so long. Get out of here. Come on out of here. Can't swat wasps, hold the camera, and steer at the same time. Something's got to give. That's the only bad thing about this one. I guess it's bad with both of them. Neither one of them have power steering. This one has it, but the cylinder's screwed up. So I just run it without any fluid. Maybe not the smartest thing in the world. Some gas going here. the front of the driveway, drag some of these big branches out that fell during that storm. I don't really know if you can hear me, so I'm going to try to use my mouth to enunciate the words so you can lip read. Third gear pin, buddy. Today. Oh no! You want to see something funny? We ain't got no branches no more, Lieutenant Dane. This right here is Big Bertha. If you missed this episode, I suggest you go back and watch it. Favorite episode I've done thus far. Yanking this out was it. Probably because I had the most fun doing that. It's called, it's like tomato without the tuh. That's what I called the episode. I yanked this out New Year's Day. So the video would have been posted that night or shortly after. Well, it didn't disappear. Ah, spider webs everywhere. There she be. 6,000 images. Yowza.